Hey guys, it's Jennifer and welcome back to 31 Days of Halloween here on my channel. Hopefully you guys can tell from my little outfit and makeup here, and if not that, then hopefully from the title, you know what we are turning ourselves into today. We are going to become a scarecrow. Not all of the looks I'm going to do this month are going to be like creepy, scary, weird. If you are excited to see how to get this look or for the rest of 31 Days of Halloween here on my channel, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below. I am doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers, and when I'm filming this, we are over halfway there. Guys, come on now. Give it the program. Subscribe to my channel. It's free and fun. Like, we do fun shit like this every single day this month, too. We're doing it every single day. I will see you here in just a minute. Also, you can't really tell, well maybe you can tell, but in the video when I start I obviously don't have makeup on, and I have severely dry skin. I have eczema. It's not a good jam, and from where I'm doing so many heavier makeup looks for 31 Days of Halloween, my eczema has flared up around my mouth. So if you just happen to see like some scary red horrifying dry patches, that's what it is. And yeah, so let's get into the video, guys. We're going to start off by priming our eyes with concealer. I'm using the ColourPop No Filter Matte Concealer in Fair 00. You can use whatever you have. You just want to lay something down so your shadows go on smoothly and bright. After that, I'm going in with a light orangey brown tan shade and working this into my crease. You want to start to build up your crease using brighter and brighter oranges and then adding a dark burnt orange at the end. Once you're done with that, we're going to cut our crease out using the same concealer we used to prime our eyes. I'm not doing a full cut crease, just kind of a half cut crease, I guess is what you'd call it. Then I'm taking a light shimmery orange shade and plopping that on top of the concealer so it's super bright and pigmented. Taking any dark brown eyeshadow, I'm applying that to my outer corner and blending it slightly upward into my crease to add a little more depth to my eye. And then I decide I want a little bit more orange in there, so I go back with some orange eyeshadow to bring that color back. Let's go do our face. Oh, I'm sorry. We're going to apply some of the glitter to our eyes so we're extra glittery and sparkly. Now we're going to go do our other eye and our face makeup. Once we're back, I'm going to take a super bright orange in the palette and add that back into my crease because it's just, the orange is getting lost for me. I'm taking the same color and applying it to my bottom lash line. Now I'm just tight lining my eyes with any black eyeliner, and I end up smudging this across my top lash line as well. Time for falsies and some mascara. And now we're going to take any black eyeliner and start to make some shapes on our face. I'm putting a triangle over my nose and I'm kind of drawing in some stitches. These don't have to be perfect because they're just like little outlines so we don't, you know, overdo anything crazy. For the stitches, I'm taking a mix of straight lines, slash lines, and X's just to make it look more authentic. I'm going to draw a triangle square situation onto my forehead. You can put your patches anywhere you want, but I wanted to show you guys the different shapes you can add. On one cheek, I'm going to do a little bit of a triangle. And on the other cheek, I'm going to do a circle, and y'all, my circle actually came out pretty good. I feel like, probably not, but I mean, I feel like it. Next, I'm going to take a liquid eyeliner pen and extend my smile outward and upward and apply stitches to that as well.
Now I'm going in with the same bright orange that's on my eyes and filling in my triangle and my little nose. You can use any colors you want to customize this to your outfit, shirt colors you're wearing. My shirt ends up having more white and red in it, so I do add red in a moment. I'm going to apply the red toned eyeshadow to my little circle and my rectangle on my forehead. Now taking the same liquid eyeliner pen we used for our mouth, I'm going to go over our little stencils we made just to make it more black and more, I don't know, just to make it more outlined and bold, I guess. Once you're done with that, we're going to apply our lip. I'm using a more bright red tone. You can use orange, you can use any of the colors you used for your patches or for your eyes. I just thought the red would look the best, and this is more of a satiny liquid lip. So the last little touch we're going to add is some highlights to our inner corners and under our brow bones and to our top lip. Now that we're done with the main patches and our eyes, I'm going to take a very, very pigmented bright blush and a circular brush and apply those to the very centers of my cheeks. And I go in with a more pink tone than orange just to add some more pigment. And that is it, guys. Put on your little plaid flannel and a straw hat and you're ready to go.
Did we love it? I love it. I'm going on a date with James tonight, and I kind of want to wear it out. Like, I mean, it's still like 95 degrees where I live every day. Actually, yesterday it was 99 degrees. Where is fall? I'm just letting you guys know. But anyway, I kind of want to wear this look out. This is super, super cute. If James, Ellie, and I did not already have our little Halloween outfits and costumes ready, this would definitely be a front runner for it. This is so freaking cute. I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up down below and consider subscribing to my channel. We're doing a giveaway at 200 subscribers and we're over halfway there. I hate myself too when I sing. So I'm gonna get off of here and I will see you all tomorrow. Bye guys.